Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to Kafycrypto YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, we are going to be talking about how you can earn free money on Binance, right? Is it possible? Is it possible to earn free money on Binance? Is it possible to earn free coins on Binance? I know you might be wondering that, and you are curious to know that. Yeah, actually, it's very, very true. You can earn free coins on Binance, but to achieve that you need to have a fraction of that coin to enable you earn some percentage from that coin. Right now, what this means is that if you have some tokens, you don't need to just keep it on Binance to just be there going up, going down like that. You can actually still utilize that. You can invest it while you make some free, that is, you generate more of that coin instead of just keeping it, which is earning it free of charge just by utilizing the ones that you already have. So if you are visiting this channel for the first time, do well to hit the subscribe button and also like this video. Let's get started. So now, to do this is my Binance timeline. What I need to do is to click on the more option. So you can see here, I click on more. So when you click on more, you are going to see simple in. So you can see everything that is here right now. So you just click on simple in. So this is it. Click on simple in. So you can see that we have near, we have ADA, we have Avas, we have TRX, we have Matic, we have Dot, we have Ape, and a whole lot of other projects, right? So that is it. Now, okay, so now you can see that we have different coins that you can actually earn for free on Binance. Now I'm going to take my time to really explain these things to you. With the recent crashes in the crypto market, a lot of people actually get very scared of losing their money, of locking their project for a particular period of time, because they don't know what is going to happen with that project. Take for instance, we have Luna. Some people locked their Luna, that some people staked their Luna for a period of 100 days, 20 days, and along the line Luna had a crash and went from 100 and something to 0.000000. So you can see the level of loss these people encountered during this period. So this actually makes people to get very skeptical about taking their projects on any DeFi staking platform. So that is why some of the fixed stakings are actually way more profitable than the flexible. Take for instance, now on 21 days you are going to be earning 21%, but on flexible. Now flexible means that okay, for instance, you staked this project, and along the line you just hear that, hey, near is about to, or let's say you hear Dot is about to crash, is about to lose its value. You just rush to Binance and cancel your staking. That is what it means, that it is flexible, right? It is flexible. But the fixed means that, okay, I staked my Matic for 21%. Even when it's crashing, you cannot unstake it. You need to actually leave it there till it gets to that 21 days. You can totally lose all your money by using this particular one. But then it has to be risk, right? You need to have a lion heart in order to actually really utilize this very, very well. So that is actually it. So now, to get started, to start enjoying this free money that I'm talking about, you need to have that project in your wallet, right? You need to have, let me take for instance SHIB. Let me see if SHIB is here. Okay, see, SHIB is not even profitable to stake right now. The 90 days is sold safe. Okay, so now I don't have any of these projects, but then let's take for instance that I want to aim free near. What I have to do is to buy some near, right? Then I come here, I click on, I think there are some, I saw Ape. I think I love what Ape is offering. So Ape is offering me 129% when I stick for 10 days, when I lock my project for 10 days. Now what I'll just click on subscribe, right? So let's see the minimum amount. The minimum amount you can stake is just 0.1 ape, and the maximum, my available quota right now is 15,000, and I think their total personal quota, okay, yeah, so this is the only you can't stake above 15,000 ape, right? And you can get that. Just imagine that you have 15,000 ape. It means that if you stake it for 10 days, you're going to be getting 100% of that. What does that tell you? This is really, really, really profitable. But then you need to have mind. You need to really be prepared for whatever happens, right? You need to really be prepared for whatever happens when you stake this, for instance. Okay, so you can see, like I said, I don't have, okay, I even have 0 point something, maybe the ones I got from referrals of people who register with my link that I've purchased it before now. So you can see the estimated APR is 129%, and estimated interest is 0.0. So that is what it actually is, right? It means that you can stake your coins and in free, you can stake your coins and in free interest. Yes, you're not doing anything. The coin in your wallet, you're not using it to do anything. So instead of just leaving it there to go up, go down, and you're not selling, you're not making profit from it, the thing you can just do is to put it on the staking platform, still on Binance, which is secured, and you make money from doing that instead of just leaving it on your Binance account. So I hope you got value from this video. I'm sure you did. So do well to hit the subscribe button, and also like this video, share with your friends so that they can earn free coins from what they already have on their Binance account. Thank you very much for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.